Hi everyone, welcome to English Empire. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a dynamic search box like this. If you want to learn, watch to the end. Now let's get started. Now I have this data. Just select all the data. Control T. Okay. Now it is in table format. Now open another. You can rename the sheet to data. Okay. Create another sheet. Name it result. Rename and name it search box. Okay. Insert a text box. Bring it to here. Name it, for example, your company. My company, for example, ENG-School. Change its size to 50. Change its text style to Arial black. And I want to make it bigger. Shape format. Shape outline. No outline. Change its color. For example, I use Google color. This one let be green. Okay. Now from here, write search smarter and change its text to 25. Change it to italic. Change its text color to this color and click the search box. Shape fill, no fill. Also from view, uncheck grid lines. Good. Now from insert shapers, bring this rounded side rectangle. Put it here. Round its corners. Shape fill. For example, I insert this color or this one. Shape outline, no outline. Okay. Format it. Insert an icon. Search. Bring magnifier. I bring this magnifier. Insert. Resize it and put it here. And insert from developer. Insert an ActiveX text box. Put it here. Okay. Name this one search box. Enter. Okay. You see name of the cell search box. Click this ActiveX box and properties. Link it with search box. Now it's linked. Now come to here. From home, table design. My table is name of table. I name it table 1, for example. Okay. Now bring the titles. Control C. Paste it here. Now format it. Change its color. Okay, now click cursor here. I have this formula. You see? Let me show you something. Table design. My table name is table 1. So make sure your table name be the same. I change it to table 1. Now it's good. Just bring the formula, Control C, come to search box, paste it here, Control V. Directly it brings the table. Okay, now select the table. Conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain, no blanks, format, border with this green color, this one, okay, okay. Now it added green border lines. Again, select the range or the data, conditional formatting, highlight cells, text that contains, click this one, search box the cell, okay, enter, come to here, light red fill, green fill with dark green text, let's select this one, okay. Now we are ready. For example, I write, come to here, design mode of, now let's write, for example, John. You see, the text appears here. Just select the cell and from home, change it to white color. Great. Now let's see, marketing. It shows only the marketing or John. You see, that's all. Have a nice time.